Let's learn how to break up numbers. When we're breaking up numbers, we start with how many we had to start with. So let's look at how many we have here. We have 1 lemur, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm going to write that number down to help me remember where I started. I have 13 lemurs to start with. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that apart and see if I can break it into 2 parts. So on this side, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lemurs. And I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lemurs over here. Now, I haven't changed how many lemurs I have altogether. I've just broken them into 2 groups. So the 2 groups is I have 8 over here, and I have 5 over here. If I wanted to write that as an adding sentence, I would write 8 plus 5 equals 13. Let's try another example. When we break up numbers, sometimes we use counters to help us. I like these counters because on one side they're red and on the other side they're yellow. Now, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 counters all together. Let's break that up into 2 groups. I'm going to make some of them yellow. There we go. Now some of the counters are yellow and some of them are red. I've broken up the number into 2 groups. If I want to, I can then show you what that looks like in an adding sentence. So we had 10, 11, 12 red plus we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yellow. And we said that before we had 18 all together. So what we've done is we've broken up 18 into 2 parts, into 6 and 12. Dominoes are a great thing to use with numbers because the domino has already broken the number up for you. When we look at this first domino over here, we see that it's broken into 2 parts. So first, what I like to do is I like to count how many there are all together. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 11 dots all together. I'm going to put that up here. Now I'm going to look at how has the domino broken it up? How many's in each part? So on the left-hand side, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll write that number here. And on the other side, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I'm going to write 4. Now that I have all those numbers, I know that 7 plus 4 equals 11. Let's look at this next one over here. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write my 7 in my big circle at the top. And right away looking at it, I know that the top only has 1. That's a really easy one to count. And the bottom has 3 and 3, which makes 6. So I know that 1 plus 6 equals 7. Now let's look at the last one here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 all together. And this time, we're broken into 7 and 5. Only one more than our first domino that we looked at. So I know that 7 plus 5 equals 12. Now you give it a try. See if you can break numbers into some parts.